The Edifier TWS 330NB are an excellent alternative to the AirPods Pro at a fraction of the price. Currently, you can pick these up for only $45, which is an absolute steal based on everything they're bringing to the table. You're getting active noise cancellation, an ambient mode, a gaming mode, as well as a companion app that gives you an impressive amount of control over the earbuds. So let's go ahead and check these out and see what all they're bringing to the table. Alright, so starting off with the charging case, very similar style and build to the AirPods Pro. It is slightly larger, but it's giving you the same glossy plastic finish and pretty much the same shape. You do have a single LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. And then over on the back, you have some branding along with the Bluetooth pairing button. The USB Type-C charging port is located on the bottom of the case. Overall, the case feels well made, so no concerns with build quality. Moving on to the earbuds, again, very similar to the AirPods Pro. You have that short stem design and the earbud has that downward angle, which helps to seat them properly in your ears. You also have some branding featured along the side of the stem. The earbuds have touch controls, which can be customized within the Edifier Connect app, so we'll talk more about that later. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0, and as far as audio codecs, they're coming with AAC as well as SBC. Like I mentioned, they also have a gaming mode, which is basically going to help you reduce the latency to as little as possible to make sure that everything syncs up whenever you're watching videos or doing gaming on your phone or your mobile device. So that's a feature that definitely impressed me on top of the active noise cancellation and the ambient mode. And the fact that you're getting all of these features at this price point is definitely impressive. The earbuds also support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. So if you want to alternate between the earbuds to extend your battery life, you can do that with no problem. Speaking of the battery life, you're going to get roughly 4 hours on a single charge with active noise cancellation turned on, and with it turned off, you're going to get roughly 5 hours. So not exactly the best on the market, but at the same time, pretty comparable to the AirPods Pro. And with the charging case, you're going to get about 3 additional charges to give you a total of about 16 to 20 hours of listening time. These also feature quick charge, so just 10 minutes of charging will give you about an hour of use. As far as water resistance, these are coming with an IP54 dust and water resistant rating, which means they're safe for the gym, safe for the outdoors, pretty much anything as long as you don't completely submerge them in water. So when it comes to the fit, these sit in your ears exactly like the AirPods Pro. The slight angle that the earbuds have helps them to rest right in the groove of your ear, so it really helps them stay in place, and on top of that, they're really comfortable, so wearing them for hours at a time is not a problem. As far as the controls, you have a double tap as well as a triple tap, and you can assign each earbud with a different set of functions. So inside the Edifier Connect app, you can choose what you want each earbud to control, but you can't control everything at once. So before we go into the sound quality, the ANC, and the ambient mode, I want to take a moment to talk more about the Edifier Connect app. The app gives you an amount of customization and control that you typically don't see within this price range. So like I mentioned, you're able to customize your touch controls, but you can also do things like change the tap sensitivity of the controls. You can turn the earbuds off, you can reset the earbuds, you can access the user manual, and what really impressed me is that there's a fully adjustable slider for your ambient mode. So you can adjust the amount of ambient noise that the earbuds pick up when you're using the ambient mode. And that's not something you typically get within this price range. The only thing the app is really missing are some EQ options to help you tweak the sound. And as far as the sound, these are going to give you a well-rounded experience. You're getting a good amount of clarity and treble as well as bass. Now, the sound quality is not quite as refined as the Edifier TWS 1 Pro that I recently reviewed. I feel like with the 330NB, the bass is a little bit boomier compared to the TWS 1 Pro. I feel like the bass on those is a little tighter and more controlled. But altogether, considering the entire package of the 330NB, the sound is more than respectable. When it comes to the active noise cancellation, it's definitely up there with some of the best within this price range. Obviously, it's not on the level of the AirPods Pro, but considering that these are a fraction of the cost, it's not that far off. And the same goes for the ambient mode. It's not quite as effective as the AirPods Pro, but it's still very functional, very useful, and it's actually better than some higher priced earbuds like the newly released Beats Studio Buds. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test. So this should give you guys an idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. As you can see, we're outdoors, a few cars passing by in the background there, but do me a favor, let me know how they sound down in the comment section below. So overall, these are an excellent alternative to the AirPods Pro for a fraction of the price. The specs and performance certainly exceed the price tag, so if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. Also, if you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.